A warning for dog owners tonight as veterinarians at the Lake of the Ozark say that there is an outbreak of a kennel cough-like illness spreading across the area. Andrew Havranek spoke with one of those vets and has more on what you need to know to keep your furry friend healthy.
The waiting room at the Lake of the Ozarks Animal Hospital has been a busy place this summer.
This is the time of year where we tend to see more contagious cough than other times of year. Even this year has been particularly bad.
The animal hospital says they've treated a lot of dogs for a kennel cough-like illness.
You're talking about 50 to 70 active cases.
The two illnesses are mycoplasma and parainfluenza. One is a bacterial, the other a viral infection that makes dogs sick for about a month. Dr. Katie Rarica, the owner of the Lake of the Ozarks Animal Hospital, says she's seen mycoplasma come up on tests before, but this is the first time she's seen the two show up together.
When they're together, it does create more clinical signs and more coughing to the point where they will stay up all night. On a couple nights, you'll kind of hack up some mucus.
Rarica says some dogs need medicine to help with the cough, but most dogs are able to let the illness run its course. The cough is contagious even before the symptoms start to show. It can be spread between dogs and cats and from an owner or another human who may have been exposed to the bacteria or virus. While there is no vaccine for the mycoplasma, there are vaccines for parainfluenza, and vets recommend making sure your pup is up to date before going to a kennel, groomer, dog park, or to the pool or lake one last time before the end of summer.
Getting that vaccine can probably shorten the effect on your dog if they were exposed.
Now, there is some good news as far as this outbreak is concerned. The vets here at the animal hospital say that they've actually seen a decrease in the number of dogs being diagnosed with these two illnesses, so they expect the outbreak to be wrapped up in the next few months. Reporting tonight in Lynn Creek, I'm Andrew Havranek.